Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are talking about the tropics, and you guys might be wondering why I haven't been uploading for a couple of days. Just because I had school. I was very busy doing stuff, so that's why, but now I'm back with the uploads. And currently, I have a chance of development off the coast of Africa. And for the next 5 days, the storm is going to go all the way up into the Atlantic. And the storm currently has a 0% in the next 48 hours, 20% for the next 5 days. Well, let's go to tropical tidbits to see what's going on with the tropics. And also, we're going to have another problem after that. Okay, guys, currently we're on tropical tidbits, and I'm going to show you the storms that are going to form in the Caribbean and go into the Gulf, and after that, we'll talk about heat wave problems. So, as I play it, you can see that they have some heavy rain in the Caribbean, and also they have grace here. But as I play it some more, you can see that here it looks like a tropical system develops in the Caribbean because they have all the heavy bands here forming. And after that, it becomes tropical depression IDA. And here comes our next wave that enters the Caribbean. And this storm goes into the Gulf and starts strengthening. And the storm takes the same path as Grace, but then it's gonna wobble around, impact parts of Texas, and then it's gonna go right back into the Gulf, and then it's gonna go right back into the Gulf and hit Mexico and impact parts of Texas and go back into the Gulf again. And then the storm here tries to strengthen, and then it just dies. And that next wave comes into the Caribbean and Gulf. So the storm slams into Florida and Georgia and Alabama, and then it sweeps down toward the Gulf, or it sweeps down toward Mississippi. And here you can see there's kind of like a squall line that forms with the storm. And after that, the storm just ends up right here off the coast of Florida. Okay, so the CMC model shows this storm's going to be a pretty strong hurricane slamming to the Louisiana, Texas coast, just like Hurricane Laura from last year. So, you can see, look how strong and big and intense this storm is. So, this giant storm brings very heavy bands to Louisiana on Monday, August 30th. So this storm is going to slam into Louisiana just like Laura, bring heavy, significant downpours. And this storm is also going to create probably a squall line. So we're going to have to watch out for this major storm because this could possibly have the strength of Laura or probably close to a Cat 5. So, on the next tropical update, in the CMC model, it shows this storm gets down to 9, 60, or 50. That means it'll become a Cat 4 or 5 hurricane, and it could be stronger than Laura. But this storm could have the possible strength of Laura or higher, and we're going to have to track this system here. Okay, but let's check on the Navigam model. Navigam model doesn't show anything about the tropics. Okay, let's see what the icon model shows. The icon model doesn't show much. The icon model shows a system forms right here in the Caribbean. Well, let's go back to that big storm on the CMC model. Okay, so this storm that's going to slam into Louisiana or Texas. So this dangerous storm is going to bring rain totals up to... So this storm is going to bring 1 feet of rainfall to Lake Charles. This storm is going to bring around 7 to 8 inches of rain to Lafayette. That's a lot of rainfall. So, and this storm is going to have some very powerful cyclonic vorticity. The cyclonic vorticity looks like a powerful major cyclone just slamming to the Texas and Louisiana coast. This storm is gonna be a pretty big problem for the United States. Let's check the 850 millibar winds. So you can see how big the wind field of that storm is. And the wind speed says wind in knots. So the wind speed's going to be in knots. So it shows on the model. So the model shows Sunday, August 29th, 2021. Storm is going to have 64 knot winds, which is around a Cat 1 hurricane. After that, storm is going to strengthen to 80 knot winds. Still a pretty strong hurricane. And Louisiana is going to get impacted hard by the storm. So Lafayette, Crowley, Lake Charles, Abbeville, Lake Arthur, New Iberia, and other areas in Louisiana is going to get 80 knot winds. So Lafayette is going to get 80 knot winds, which will be very, very strong. You guys, wait right here. I'm gonna be back and tell you what 80 knot winds equal. I'm gonna show you how much wind speed the storm's gonna bring to Louisiana. Okay guys, I got it. So Lafayette, Louisiana is going to get wind speeds up to 92 miles an hour. And like Crowley or Jennings is probably going to get the same amount. So Lafayette's going to get about 80 to 90 mile an hour winds. Jennings, Lake Charles, you guys are going to get also 80 to 90 mile an hour winds. And Lafayette's record wind speed is about 97 miles an hour or 99 miles an hour. So if this storm hits Louisiana, and if Lafayette gets winds higher than 92 miles an hour, like around 100, then Lafayette's going to beat the world, is going to beat. So Lafayette's going to have like a world record wind speed, like the world record most highest wind speed in Lafayette. Like last year, Lafayette had the record most coldest temperature during that powerful winter storm that slammed into Louisiana. So Lafayette could have another record. And let's go back to Tropical Tidbits to talk about the major heat waves. Okay, guys, let's talk about the heat wave problem. So, in Louisiana, it's gonna be around 95 degrees. But Tuesday, guys, could be shocking to you guys. Just watch. So, Sunday, which is tomorrow, there's going to be some hot temperatures from a heat wave. Monday, August 23rd, still some strong heat waves in Louisiana. And watch this. Tuesday in Louisiana, temperatures are going to be 100 degrees. So, Lafayette, Opelousas, Alexandria, Shreveport, Ball, other places or other parts of Louisiana will be over 100 degrees Tuesday. So, on Tuesday, it's going to be 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And Lafayette's record temperature is 107. So, Tuesday it's going to be 100 degrees, and Lafayette needs to get 7 more degrees to beat its record or get a tie record. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe and support my channel. And I'm going to see you guys at the 1 o'clock update. Goodbye.